Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process of running FL Studio correctly on a Linux system using Lutris in 2025. So first things first, head over to lutris.net. Scroll down the page and select the installer for your specific Linux distribution. Even if you're using something like Linux Mint, Kubuntu, or Xubuntu, which might not be explicitly listed, they follow the same process as Ubuntu. Once installed, launch Lutris either from your Applications menu or by typing Lutris in the terminal. Now we need to install a version of Wine inside Lutris. Wine is what makes it possible to run Windows apps on Linux, and Lutris uses it under the hood. Open Lutris and go to the Runners menu. Install the latest Wine FShack version. Pick the one with the largest version number on top of the list. Next, we'll prepare to install FL Studio itself. Click the large plus icon in the top left corner of Lutris to add a new application. While Lutris is mostly used for games, it works perfectly for software like FL Studio too. In the name field, type FL Studio, set the runner to Wine, and confirm. Now switch to the Game Options tab. Use the Browse button to locate the FL Studio Setup executable file. If you don't have it yet, download the latest installer from the official ImageLine website. Also, specify your Wine prefix. This is the folder where FL Studio will be installed. Use the Browse button to choose your desired location. Once that's set up, go to the left panel and click on Games. You should now see FL Studio listed. Double-click to launch the installer. You might get a pop-up saying, Wine could not find a mono package. That's totally fine. Just click Install to let Wine handle it automatically. If the installer doesn't appear after a while, just try launching it again. Once the setup finishes, we'll need to update the executable path to ensure FL Studio launches properly. Right-click on FL Studio in Lutris, go to Configure, then to the Game Options tab. In the executable field, point to the file named something like fl.exe or fl64.exe, located inside your Wine prefix path where FL Studio was installed. Click Save, and now you're ready to launch FL Studio right from your Linux desktop. The interface should run smoothly, just like on Windows. And that's how to properly install and run FL Studio on Linux using Lutris in 2025.